Howdy. Today I would be demonstrating the proper way to use a desoldering tool. This is a manual desoldering tool for those of you who is interested in doing some soldering yourselves. I would explain and show you all. In a present video, I showed how to clean it, but now I would show how to use it. When you purchase this tool, you'd get it as is. And when desoldering, this is hard. You have to put it close by and then press to suck up the solder. But I put this, it's heat resistance, and it sucks up the solder good, which when you put it on the component, it would spread over instead of keeping it rigid. These are I wouldn't be taking out everything, but I would just take out one or two to show y'all and make this video as short as possible. If you're new to this channel, please like, comment, subscribe, click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of further videos. With all that said, let's begin. Using a desoldering tool, you would need an iron. This process is a process that you would have to use both hands. You would heat up the solder. If the solder is not melting, you would have to, I forgot to press. If the solder is not melting, you would have to use your solder to help it melt. And when I'm doing the desoldering, I do not use flux on whatever I'm desoldering, because the flux is like a grease and it stays inside the unit, prevents it from doing what it's supposed to. And when you use the flux and you're doing some cleaning, which means you would have to use alcohol to assist you to clean inside the chamber. if you're and usually when desoldering, you would need a plate, something to hold the board. If you notice, the board is dancing all over the place. And using a desoldering tool, if you want to use the board again, it makes it easier because it won't damage the board. I put the this split there so I could drop the solder in it. And sometimes when you do it, it gets out easy. This is it. This is the proper way to use a desoldering tool. You would have to use both hands. That's the thing with the manual desoldering tool. If you're not comfortable using this, which having that, it doesn't suck the solder straight into the nozzle, but the solder would spread around the hair and prevent it from moving. It depends on what you desoldering. For instance, when I did that, using it like that, it was much easier. Or when you're using taking out one component. For instance, if you're taking out that and you use this, it would be able to come out because there are not other things around. But if you have to take out this, it's better to use it this way. This is it for this video. If you find it was educational, please like, comment, subscribe, click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of further videos. Until the next one, goodbye and thank you.